How to deploy your GitHub project on Vercel. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload and deploy your GitHub projects into Vercel. So the first thing you want to do is open up GitHub and open your repository. If you don't have one, you can always create one by just going ahead and clicking on new repository. I already have this repository, so I'll just go ahead and upload this on my Vercel to deploy it. So what I can do is open a new tab and go to Vercel. Open a Vercel, and then from here you can click on Start Deploying. Now it will ask you to sign in. What I'll do is sign in with GitHub, and I'll just continue on with my project. What it does is it's going to automatically access the repositories there, and I can easily import them to deploy. So as you can see, I've already logged in, and here are two repositories I have on my GitHub. So what I can do is just continue on with this one and click on import. So I'll just continue on with this Next.js boilerplate. On the framework preset, it's Next.js, so I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on deploy. Once you do that, it's going to automatically start deploying the project. You just have to wait for a bit. And you can see the deployment status down below right here. As you can see here, now the deployment has been completed. So the Next.js boilerplate has been deployed. Now you can just continue to your dashboard, see instant previews, add domains, enable light speed, enable insights on your speed. So just click on continue to dashboard, and here you go. So this has been deployed. Now you can see all of its insight over here. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.